We're
Serious
just
face,
staring
Mad
at
Dog is.
What's going on, guys? Malvado Garage back with another video. Ivan's here. Isaiah's just chilling on the thing. We're fighting the sunlight today because we all got off of work late. Today we're working on my camber on my truck, as you can see. Basically, my camber, I don't know if you can see, the top of the tire is like in a little bit while the bottom of the tire sticks out, and that basically causes wear. As you can see right on the inside of the tire here, on the outside, it's pretty good. Both sides, I need to do that. As you can see again, top is in, bottom is like freaking out. Again, the baldness on the inside. Yo. I deadass thing is fucking, bro, my fucking wires.
What?
Look. Hold on. Look at that.
Hey, they used to call you brace face. Now you call it brace race.
But yeah, so let's get to it.
So, question.
You can answer all. I can answer all your questions. It's an interview now. Oh shit.
I'm assuming you're gonna do it just to the best of the odds.
Yeah. Not perfect. That's basically to the point where.
To the best of the odds.
To the best of our, yeah, I guess. Yeah. Let's get to it. There's this guy that lives right here at this house, and Ivan had parked right here. And this guy is basically like a real stickler on like his property, his like part of the sidewalk, his everything. Like,
even though the parking along the street that is obviously public property, he still parks one truck in the middle of two spots in front of his house.
Look. Right there, right in the middle. Probably like, I think like 2 or 3 cars can fit right there, but no.
But
yeah.
Public property is his property, so.
So Ivan got scared and like.
I didn't get scared. I just
Speaking of women.
Anyways, back to the video.
from the fender.
So since my truck is very low, the jack stand doesn't go inside of it. There's a bottom lip under. So what we did last time was Ivan and Isaiah both lifted the front end of the truck by just lifting it, and then I slid the jack under there. So
This is the opportunity of our cheeks being spread.
Yeah, that shit's bald as fuck. Look, guys, cheap slicks. If you guys want to purchase these off me for drifting,
Homemade slicks
hit
from
me
Malvado
up.
Garage.
It's in NASCAR now. Any NASCAR employees or executives?
Don't hire me because I'll fuck everything up.
How do we adjust it? What
Fine.
do we tighten it, loosen it?
I don't know because I never adjusted camber, but what we can do.
That's what we're here for. We
Is-
fuck our mistakes.
What was the brand?
IHC. Alright, we'll get back to you guys when we figure this out. Alright, so we figured it out. Basically, what we're gonna have to do is, Isaiah, explain it.
So basically, we got to loosen these bolts right here, remove those bolts in the back, and remove the upper control
This
arm.
whole thing right here.
And then we're gonna have to adjust these nuts on the side to adjust the.
This is a half without even looking at it. Watch. Just believe it is. Right now, what we're gonna do is Isaiah had a point in saying that I thought we were gonna loosen these bolts here. Isaiah, show 'em.
So these little bolts right here, Danny thought that we were just gonna leave them in, but I told him, I was like, it's gonna be really hard, quite impossible to take the upper control arm off without taking these bolts off. So now we're just gonna completely remove these bolts and then the back bolts. Right there.
The reason I was confused, I thought that this here was connected to here, but Isaiah like said, and he had a point, that this like gray piece right here is just like an individual piece, and that's why I was like, oh, okay, I guess we'll do it. All right, guys. We got the 2 bolts in the upper control arm. One's right there. We already took them off. They're down there with his leg right there. There's 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got those off, and now we're just basically gonna take it off. Look, I pull it. Ivan pushes it. He pulls that thing out. Make sure nothing's tugging down here. Everything's loose. Everything's loose, and that thing can hang right there. But this right here, Ivan, show him or put an angle. This right here is what we need to tighten because that's what controls the camber on the tires and stuff. So we need to fix that.
Hit that 360. I'll be like you. Good clamp.
I heard that we watched a video from the people who made the kit, and they recommended we have them at 3/8 of an inch. So we're gonna, Isaiah, wanna go grab a measuring tape, and we're gonna measure right now to 3/8 of an inch. All right, guys. Right now,
news update. There's only 2 members to Manuel's garage. Ivan, we booted him. He was being a little bitch.
I agree. He fucking farted while I was trying to grab a bolt in between his legs. And then Isaiah just tried to grab something between his legs, and he got farted on too. We adjusted the control arms to have that 3/8 of an inch camber. Hopefully that works. And Ivan's tightening the rest of the bolts down in the back. Let me show you. As you can see, I did this one right here, this bolt right here. It's already tightened and everything. Ivan's tightening the one on the other side.
You want it tight or just like somewhat?
Nah, tight, bro. It took a while to do because a portion of like measuring it out and like having it straight and making sure like it's gonna fit, that took like the longest time.
Welcome to the vlog, Ace family. I'm just kidding. Don't fall in love with me.
Alright guys, so we finally finished one tire, one wheel. By eye, we all think it looks good. It looks better, not good, it looks better. Look, I move a little bit. Before the tire, I don't know if you guys can see, you guys can see, but before the tire used to be way more like slanted like by a lot. Now it looks kind of like a little slanted, but like I'm pretty sure when we lower it, the inside of the tire is gonna go in. So now what we're gonna do is take it off the jacks, lower the truck, and turn it around and like see if it looks good, if we did anything good, because we're kind of scared that we did it. So
Also, we don't want to do intro.
Also,
You got my juicy lips in there. Before, it was like this. Now it's like this.
we dropped the truck now, and right now we're inspecting to see if we did a good job. And low key,
Twist it.
I think we did a really good job. As you can see, the tire is straight now. Now you don't see like the top in or the top out.
I'm not lifting.
The tire is like in a little bit while the bottom of the tire sticks out. That's hella sick. Now we're just gonna do the same on this side over here. But we're gonna rotate the truck real quick.
It's like to a fucking Mexican Yolanda.
I know, fucking Jesus
Yolanda.
Christ.
That's like the major version of
But anyways, we rotated the truck. Jack is in. It's on the stands right now. And we took off the wheel now.
Hey, don't tell them we're broke.
Funny thing.
It's on the lift. Okay.
Oh, it's on the lift right now. My tire is so worn down that the wires are starting to pop out. I haven't rotated more. There's yeah, there's like broken like,
You know what that is?
I don't know what that
So let me explain something real quick. This fucking the wire braiding is there to keep the structure of the tire, and then obviously the rest of the thickness of the tire goes on top. But when you drive on this metal braid too much, then it starts ripping, and you can see right there it's actually bulging out.
Yeah.
So then after the fucking metal braiding, it fucking
Damn, any day that shit.
pops.
I'm glad I did this today.
If you want your own homemade slicks with a little bit of sparks in them, come get them. Probably gonna put them on eBay starting at maybe like
$500,000.
$3,500. Oh shit, that sounds pretty good.
So if you want some, hit me up. Sponsor us for like a video or something.
Yeah, they ever saw that Razor commercial with the little drip trikes and fucking have little sparks?
Luckily, I have tires coming in on Thursday, so I guess I'm not driving my truck until Thursday. We got the other side done. Took us a long time, but we finally got it done.
Not
Both
bad for the first time
sides,
doing it.
yeah. And I think now what we're gonna do is instead of taking this tire, just leaving it here, I'm gonna put on my spare tire because I don't feel comfortable driving on that anymore. we ran into a worse situation than we had hoped. But we were gonna replace the front tire with my spare that I have right here.
The tire on the front that's about to pop at any time because he already went past the metal bands. He doesn't want to drive on it because he has to wait till Thursday to get his new tires. So we got the spare to put on, but then we remembered his truck's lowered. This truck is bigger than the tire he currently has, so it's gonna rub either way. He's just choosing the best out of two shitty situations.
I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the spare back and just ride on my shitty one. We're done, finally. Oh my God, after a long day. Finally done. I got so dirty in my white shirt, but thank you guys for watching today's video. We're gonna call it quits today because we're all tired and hungry. Isaiah has food waiting for him at home.
And I did overtime today.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Adios.